Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make popsicle stick puppets. First, gather your materials. You will need several craft sticks, strong glue, scissors, and paper. Also, prepare colorful markers, yarn, fabric scraps, and any other decorative items you wish to use. Make sure your workspace is clean and ready for crafting. This initial preparation ensures a smooth and enjoyable puppet-making experience for everyone. Now, let's bring your character to life on paper. You can draw your puppet's head and body freehand or print out a template. Use vibrant colors to make your character stand out. Carefully cut out all the pieces using scissors. Remember to add details like clothing made from small fabric scraps or hair fashioned from yarn. These small touches will give your puppet a unique personality. With your character pieces ready, it's time for assembly. Apply a small amount of strong craft glue to the back of your paper character. Firmly press the character onto the top portion of a craft stick. Hold it in place for a few seconds. Allow the glue to dry completely for at least 15 minutes to ensure a secure bond. Then, add any final embellishments like googly eyes or glitter. Your puppet is now complete and ready for its debut. You can create a simple stage using a cardboard box or just use your imagination. Develop a fun story or dialogue for your new character. Practice moving your puppet to express various emotions and actions. Encourage friends and family to join in the fun, creating an entire cast of characters for endless storytelling possibilities.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.